On iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro, you can use the camera control to easily and quickly take photos, capture video, and adjust controls. Here's how. To open the camera app from the lock screen or from any app, press the camera control, then press it until you feel a click to capture a photo. If you press and hold, you'll capture video. You can also use the camera control to adjust controls in the overlay. Light press the camera control to access the last control you used, or double light press it to choose a different control. Now, you can swipe on the overlay or slide on the camera control to switch between several controls. Use exposure to increase or decrease the amount of light captured by the camera. While taking a photo, use depth to increase or decrease the blur in the background and foreground for a stunning portrait. Use zoom to change your composition, letting you capture a far-off subject or a wide landscape. Or use cameras to switch between default focal lengths, such as 0.5x for ultra-wide or 2x for telephoto. Use styles to select any of the photographic styles like vibrant, cozy, or stark black and white. Or use tone to make shadows richer and darker, or to brighten the midtones of the image. Let's try adjusting some of these controls before we take another photo. To select a different camera, light press the camera control. Now, slide left or right on the camera control to choose from different camera options. Then, double light press the camera control to return to the controls. Next, slide right on the camera control to switch to exposure, and light press to select it. As you slide left or right on the camera control, the image will become brighter or darker. When the preview looks perfect, just press the camera control until you feel a click to capture the photo. It's so fast and easy to take photos with the camera control. To learn more about your iPhone, subscribe to the Apple Support YouTube channel or click another video to keep watching.